Hello my creative friends and welcome to Fatema's Art Show. Today I'll be experimenting and getting creative by using a popit. A popit is a fidget toy which has become quite a trend for children, played with in a very similar way to bubble wrap. Today I'll be showing you 5 ways you can get creative with your popit. The first is to print with it by applying paint and printing. Here I am using non-toxic poster paint. If you are also interested in bubble wrap printing, I will link a video I did on that. The second is to use it as a mold for sand. You can then have fun pressing on the sand. Third is to fill it up with water and freeze it. This is a nice activity for summer. Of course, you can add food dye, glitter or anything else you would like. The fourth idea is to use it again as a mold, but this time for Play-Doh. I made my own homemade Play-Doh and my son once again enjoyed pressing the Play-Doh popit he created. Also, you can use air dry clay, leave it to dry, and then you can even paint it how you would like. The final popit is an edible one, which is a yummy treat. Of course, make sure you wash the popit with warm soapy water first. We applied Smarties, then poured melted chocolate on top. Place it in the freezer once it's cooled down and ta-da! Thank you very much for watching and I hope you enjoyed this video.